Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a Bluetooth remove failed error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error would occur when something is preventing your Bluetooth device from successfully disconnecting from your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in airplane mode. Best result should come back with airplane mode. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go turn that to the on position and then see if the issue's been resolved. Otherwise, you might just want to toggle this back to the off position and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Right below it, you can see that. Let's go ahead and close out of there. Something else you want to look into here as well would be to open up the search menu. Type in services, best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Locate the Bluetooth services, should be multiple ones listed in here. Go through each one of them and make sure startup type is set to automatic and that the service status is running. If it's stopped, you want to select start and then apply and OK again for each of these items in there. And then once that's done, close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the Bluetooth selection in here and then right click on the Bluetooth adapter and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the generic one if that's the only one available and then select Next. Close out of here and then you do want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.